Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a time tracking system with Toggl, beginner guide step by step clearly. To create a time tracking system with Toggl, start by visiting the Toggl website. Click on the sign up button to create a new account. If you already have an account, select login to access your dashboard. Once logged in, take a moment to explore the layout of your dashboard. Locate the workspace section on the left sidebar. Click on Create Workspace to set up your first project space. Name your workspace according to your project or business. Next, add team members if you're collaborating with others. Navigate to the Projects tab from the left sidebar. Click on Create Project to initiate a new project. Enter a name and select a color for your project for easier identification. Now, return to your dashboard and look for the time entry area. To start tracking time, click on the Start button. Select the project you want to track from the drop-down menu. Optionally, you can add tags or notes to provide more context. Stop the timer when you complete the task by clicking the Stop button. You can also adjust the time manually by clicking on the time entry. To review your track time, navigate to the Reports tab. Choose the date range to analyze your time entries more effectively. You can filter the data by projects or team members for detailed insights. Export the reports if you need to share them with your team or for invoicing. To optimize your time tracking, explore the settings in the account menu. Customize notifications to help you stay on track with your tasks. Regularly review your time reports to identify patterns and improve productivity. With these steps, you'll effectively create a time tracking system using Toggl. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.